Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a storage room in Disney Dreamlight Valley. Let me just enter my house. It does take a while to load because my house is in my game is in my hard disk, that's what I meant. So what I did was I crafted a lot of storage boxes. So if you go to functional items and you scroll down here, I basically created a lot of these like chests. Make sure you have all of the items for it though. It doesn't matter. It actually does matter. It is easier if you have like a large chest rather than a small one. This is my storage room. So what I did was I basically placed the like boxes inside here. I'll show you. So if I go to storage here, and as you can see there is a small chest, I just placed it and then I added the stuff in there. Like I went to open storage and I basically added, for instance, I want this one to just be all fish, so I'm going to add fishes. Then I'm going to select split here and I'll just press 1 and I'll place it back in my inventory. And then just outside here, go back to your inventory and drop it. Oh, I accidentally ate it, but you're going to basically just drop it here. I'll show you with something else. Just drop it here. Just pretend that it's a fish. Go back to your furniture and like you can like move it wherever you want. But I just placed it like next to it. Whoops, I accidentally removed the rug. I'm just gonna get this back here and I'm going to place the storage back because I already have enough storage here. Here I'll show you what's inside some of them. Like as you can see in this one, it's all like meals. And this one's all like sticks. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!